Schools in Aryankava, Achankovil and Kulathupuzha areas in the eastern part of Kollam district will remain closed on Monday and Tuesday. The holiday was announced by the district administration. The decision was made considering the risk of landslides and uprooting of trees. The Indian Met Department warns of heavy rains in the state till Tuesday. A red alert was declared in Thiruvananthapuram on Sunday. Orange alert has been declared in Kollam, Pathanamthitta, Alappuzha, Kottayam and Idukki. Other districts will be under yellow alert. However, the Disaster Management Authority has directed all districts to make similar preparations for the red alert in view of the possibility of heavy rains. The proposal comes in the wake of warnings from other Met agencies besides Indian Met Department. 7 districts will be under orange alert on Monday. Fishermen have been asked not to go to the sea. Extreme caution is required in hilly areas. People should stay away from flood and landslide prone areas, experts warned. The monsoon is due to the activation of westerly winds as the cyclone moves over Tamil Nadu into Arabian Sea. The new low pressure area in the Bay of Bengal will strengthen and enter Andhra Pradesh within 48 hours. The Disaster Management Authority has warned of possible flooding and minor flooding in urban and low-lying areas as heavy rains continue. Authorities and the public must take precautionary measures in this regard. Very intense levels of rainfall are likely to lead to landslides, mudslides and floods. This will require precautionary measures. Rainfall is also received as part of the formation of cyclones in the Arabian Sea. The Met Department is monitoring the low pressure area. The cyclone presence is felt over the southeastern Arabian Sea and over northern Tamil Nadu. As a result, westerly winds have gained strength. Due to this, isolated heavy to very heavy rains are likely in Kerala for the next 2 days. The Indian Met Department has forecast heavy rains in southern Kerala. It has warned fishermen not to go fishing off the coast of Lakshadweep in Kerala on Saturday and Sunday. The Met Department has also directed fishermen stranded in the Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea to return to the coast by November 15th. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.